Good morning, everybody. My name is Gabe, and I own Phoenix Solar Gleam and Clean here in Phoenix. I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys about getting some storefront window cleaning. I follow a lot of guys on YouTube. I took this from, you guys probably know him, Keith, and basically he's talking about being hungry, being aggressive, and going door to door and just asking for their business. And that's something I did. I just started out in the business. I'm new to it myself, but something that has helped me is, for example, I'm at a job right now doing a storefront at a restaurant. I've got 2 of his businesses that I'm doing every 2 weeks, and I was able to nail about, I think, 5 or 6 jobs, storefronts, just by doing this and going door to door and asking for the business, basically. And something that has really helped me was basically I walk in, or I walk around, notice that there's some dirty windows, and then that's basically what you want to look for is walk around your main areas, your job sites, all these different places, and see what windows are really dirty. And obviously, if it's a big corporate or a franchise company, the chances of getting those are very slim, unless you know that those individual places like restaurants are owned by maybe one person that has a few different locations. So for me, I wasted a lot of time going into these places that were even like the big storefronts like TJ Maxx or Sprouts or something like that. Even though some of those have their own store managers that can make decisions, a lot of them don't have the funds, petty cash, where they can just be like, yeah, let me get a service for you. So what I did was I wasted a lot of time going to those places. I tried to find local mom and pop shops or their own businesses, basically. And so my first one I did was literally the first one I went into, was the first job that I got. And this was a local cardio beret, like advanced cardio place. And the owner walked in like 2 minutes. Once I walked into their facility, I was talking with the other girl that was at the front desk. I was, hey, look, your windows look like look like they need to be cleaned. When's the last time you had it cleaned? And then the owner walked in. She's like, oh, here you go. This is the owner right here. And I basically sold her and told her, what can I do to earn your business? And she's like, yeah, I actually need my windows cleaned like right now. So I was able to knock them out for her, and we got on a weekly schedule, and she's happy. So I'm able to do her outside windows, her mirrors that are inside her little workout gym, and then the inside windows every 4 weeks. So I do the mirrors, the outside every week, come back. It's right down the street from my job. So when I get off shift, I'm able to just go knock those out. And then every 4 weeks, I do basically everything. So, and that's kind of just wrapped into the price that I gave her. Another thing that has helped me was basically I'm out here looking. You want to look professional, right? Kind of clean cut. I got a polo. Don't look like a slob and whatnot. And so I'm out here cleaning. This was about a month ago, doing my bi-weekly window cleaning, and a lady came up to me. She said, hey, do you only do exterior windows, or do you only do businesses? Like, no, I'm actually doing residential and everything. So I was able to get her number. First off, don't just hand off your business card or hand off a flyer. Get her number and book an appointment right there and there if you can. So basically that's what I did. I got her number, I texted her my digital business card, and then we figured out how many windows and stuff she has. I was like, all right, let's book it. Let's put it on the schedule. So I booked it for like 3 or 4 weeks after that. And she seemed really happy and really excited to get the cleaning. So I'm doing that job next week. So that's kind of something that has helped me. Obviously, I have my little yard sign too. I don't know if you can tell. Let's see. Over there, the little sign over there on the corner. So this is kind of a busy area. This is Dunkin' Donuts, right out front. So I park right out front next to the windows that I'm cleaning. Obviously they don't open until like 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna knock out this job real quick. I put the yard sign that says window solar panel cleaning services right out front, so when they exit the drive-through they can see it. I also attach some business cards in case they want to grab it, or while they're sitting there waiting for their coffee, you know, waiting for their donuts or whatever, just they can write down the phone number and then, you know, give me a call, text me, hey, I saw your sign, I see you do window cleaning. Especially this area that I'm at right now, it's a middle to upper class area. It's nice. Obviously, if the people are coming in here with nice Lexus and Mercedes and getting their coffee, they got, you know, a little bit of extra money they can spend on window services and stuff like that. So just a quick video. I wanted to give you a breakdown on getting some storefront clients. I'm still working on it every day. I'm going to be doing some after this job today, and I'll see if I can add that video to here as well, of me actually going in and talking to people. And I'm telling you, I'm not the best when it comes to, you know, getting out of my shell and talking to people. I'm definitely more of an introvert, but I've been working on that, and ever since I've been doing that, it's been getting more comfortable, being more confident, and just walking in and asking to speak with the owner or the manager, and give them your information. Ask them, hey, when's the last time you had your window cleaning? Would you like to get your windows done today? What actually helps too is I walk in with my stuff. I just throw my belt on with my squeegees and stuff and walk in, but hey, I'm a window cleaner. I'm local to the area. I'm looking to expand. I have some time today to clean your windows. Would you like to get that done? And that's something that I learned from Keith Kalfas on window cleaning on YouTube. So I appreciate that. Thanks to him. If anybody needs any more tips, feel free to reach out, and let's grow this business together. I'll see you guys later.